The gastrointestinal (GI) tract is a complex system responsible for the digestion and absorption of food. It is characterized by its long, continuous tube that begins at the mouth and ends at the anus, and is essential for maintaining adequate nutrition and overall health. The GI tract can be divided into distinct regions, each with specific functions. The upper GI tract encompasses the mouth, esophagus, and stomach. The middle GI tract is comprised of the small intestine, while the lower GI tract includes the large intestine. Additionally, accessory organs, which include the salivary glands, liver, gallbladder, and pancreas, play vital roles in digestion. The structure of the gastrointestinal wall involves 5 layers: the inner mucosal layer, the submucosal layer, the circular and longitudinal smooth muscle fibers, and the outer serosal layer, which forms the peritoneum and connects to the mesentery. Each layer contributes to the overall function and coordination of the digestive processes. The GI tract secretes various substances including saliva, gastric juices, bile, and pancreatic secretions. The parasympathetic nervous system enhances these secretions, whereas sympathetic activity inhibits them. Hormones like gastrin, secretin, and cholecystokinin regulate these secretions, contributing to digestive functions. Digestion and absorption primarily occur in the small intestine. Digestion involves breaking down food into its basic components, requiring processes such as hydrolysis and enzymatic activity. For carbohydrates, digestion begins in the mouth with amylase, breaking them down into monosaccharides in the small intestine. Protein digestion starts in the stomach through pepsin and continues into the intestine with pancreatic enzymes like trypsin and chymotrypsin. Dietary fats are broken down by pancreatic lipase into triglycerides, which are further processed with the help of bile salts, aiding in the transport of fatty acids and fat-soluble vitamins. Accessory organs like the liver, gallbladder, and exocrine pancreas contribute significantly to digestive processes. The liver produces bile, crucial for fat digestion, and performs metabolic functions including glucose synthesis, deamination of amino acids, and drug detoxification. The pancreas supplies digestive enzymes, insulin and glucagon, supporting both digestion and cellular metabolism. Several disorders can affect gastrointestinal function. The esophagus can be afflicted by conditions such as dysphagia, difficulty swallowing, which may arise from nerve dysfunction or esophageal narrowing, and gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD. The stomach may be impacted by gastritis or peptic ulcers, which compromise the gastric mucosal barrier and lead to ulcerative conditions. The intestines may suffer from irritable bowel syndrome, inflammatory bowel disease, and conditions like Crohn's disease, which cause chronic inflammation. Alterations in intestinal motility lead to conditions like diarrhea and constipation. Diarrhea involves the excessive passage of stools, varying from large volume diarrhea due to increased fecal water content to small volume diarrhea associated with bowel diseases. Conversely, constipation refers to the infrequent passage of stools, often due to poor diet, inadequate fluid intake, or inactivity. Disorders of accessory organs include liver diseases such as hepatitis, alcohol-induced liver disease, and cirrhosis, which affect liver function. Biliary tract disorders like cholelithiasis cause gallstones, leading to inflammation known as cholecystitis. Pancreatic issues, including pancreatitis, arise from inflammation of the pancreas, impacting its ability to produce essential enzymes and hormones. Understanding the gastrointestinal system's structure and function is crucial in diagnosing and managing digestive disorders, ensuring optimal digestion, nutrient absorption, and overall health.